table. Once again, this green carpet here is to protect our birds' feet. Oh, hi Sabrina. Okay, so the next bird joining us on stage, he is also a scarlet macaw, and he happens to be Fifi's best friend, alright? And his name is Scar. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, whenever you're ready, it's time to keep your eyes right back there. Let us welcome Scar. One flight and Scar, your walnut is in the pail. Oh, wow, are you all seeing that? He's using his feet as well as his beak to simultaneously pull the string so that the pail will be closer to him. Alright, did you get your walnut? Just a little bit more. And there you go. Oh, just a little bit more. 1, 2. Yes, great job. So, whenever you're ready, Sassy, right up there. And a perfect touchdown. We're going to put it down. There you go. One flight to me. Okay, one flight to me. Sweet Tussle, are you satisfied? Yes? Say hello. Oh, very loud hello. Do the sound of a cat. There you go. How about the rooster? Oh, that sounds like a very, very sleepy rooster of a telephone. There you go. Can we please see some encouragement, everyone? Great job. Now let us move on to human sounds, shall we? Sounds that both you and I make. Now when you are sad, you will cry, am I right? How do you cry? Cry. Oh, that cry sounds very cute, am I right? Now how about when you are happy, you will laugh, am I right? So Quincy, you want to show them how you laugh? There you go. Now this time, how about the sound of a whistle? Great job. Now the next human sound, you just heard him previously, am I right? This is the sound of a human sneeze. It's a very, very cute sound. Okay, do you want to show them how you sneeze? Great job, Quincy. Whenever you're ready.
All these nice people. How are you? He's asking how are all of you feeling today? Good? In English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In Chinese. Chicken. Bye-bye. Well, you just came out. We'll go back home first. Okay, let's do one more. How about the laugh? How do you do the laugh? Laugh. Laugh? No? Okay, one more. How about the cough? Cough. 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 In the bird park. Okay, now Amigo and Big John here, they have done a wonderful job and it's time for them to head back home. But let's see if Big John wants to say bye-bye. John, wanna say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye? No? Okay, Amigo, you say bye-bye. 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 Touch our hand and fingernails as well, okay? So as I mentioned earlier,